What's good, Muggles fams? It's your boy, and we're back with another banger. So, sibuyile with the banger. I hope in ukuthi nibona our recent results. Bekade siwenza with i-markets, bekwi-GBP, NFP, the interest rates. So, what I will be doing each and every Sunday, into engizoyenza ukuthi ngizokwenza ama-weekly not weekly predictions per se, but ngizokwenza ukuthi sazi ukuthi esontweni lelo imaphi ama-event esizobe siwa-check or sobe siwabheka or sobe siwa-trade. So that will be for obviously ngo-6 February kusukela ngomhla 7 up until Friday, which is umhla 10. So masibheka, usually ngisebenzisa i-forex factory because iyakwazi ukukunikeza until inyanga iphele, yabo, ukuthi okay yiziphi ama-event that you should be looking forward to. Okay, ngomhla 7-ke guys, 5:30 ekuseni, interest rates. So I'm really excited about that kakhulu. Ngiyazi ukuthi I definitely ziyakhala. So make sure wenza sure, okay, wenze sure ukuthi you don't miss out ngo-5:30. Anyone who wants ama-signals, say signals only. For now, i-mentorship asikakayenzi because isikhathi, so sakwazi ukuthi senze ama-signals kuphela so that uzokwazi ukuthi and get some little bit of cash, you know what I mean? And then Wednesday we don't have any, Thursday ayikho, then Friday ngo-3:30, which is employment check yakhona futhi ziyakhala. Enye into engifuna uniyazi guys, it's not always ukuthi 100% uzohlezi uyithola right or even a direction. It's not always the case. Sometimes we do get it wrong. So umuntu akangathi mayesethi we wrong, ngicela imali yami. No, doesn't work like that. No strategy is 100%. Leyo part nje ngifuna niyazi. But nje obviously it will be by all means ukuthi everyone win, wonke umuntu nje awin. So guys, yeah, that's what we are looking for this week. Only izinto eziwu-2, ama-event awu-2. It's Tuesday and Friday. So nje ngicela sibe ready. Peace, Muggles fam.